Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Surfshark VPN for 1 month with zero risk. Let's get started. Before we dive into this rather technical setup, I want to mention that if you're looking for a VPN that's incredibly easy to install and use right away, you should check out Surfshark VPN using the link in the description. It offers a simple one-click connection to thousands of fast, reliable servers without any of the complications we're about to discuss. You might be asking, is Surfshark actually free? While there's no permanent free version, there is a completely legitimate and risk-free way to use every single premium feature for 37 days without paying a single cent. This method combines their free trial with their money-back guarantee. Here's the two-step process. First, let's activate the 7-day free trial. This is available on Android and iOS devices. Grab your phone, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and download the official Surfshark app. Open the app, choose a plan, and it will give you the option to start a 7-day free trial. You will need to register a payment method, but you will not be charged. To make sure you aren't charged, immediately cancel the auto-renewal in your App Store subscription settings. You'll still have full access for the entire 7 days. Now, for the second step that extends your free access to over a month. Surfshark offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. To use this, you need to purchase a subscription directly from the Surfshark website, not through the app stores. This is crucial for an easy refund. Go to the Surfshark website on your computer, pick a plan, and complete the purchase. You can now use the service just like normal. If you decide you want to keep it, great. But if you want your money back, you have a full 30 days to request a refund directly through Surfshark support, and they will give you a full refund, no questions asked. By combining the 7-day mobile trial with the 30-day money-back guarantee period, you get a total of 37 days of free premium VPN service with absolutely zero risk. It's important to only use the official methods from their website and app stores. Avoid any hacked or modified apps, as they are often unsafe and unreliable. I want to mention that if you're looking for a VPN that's incredibly easy to install and use right away, you should check out Surfshark VPN using the link in the description.